Hope you all in high spirits. We can't think of any sentence without using the parts of speech.
If you want to learn English, you must have enough knowledge about parts of speech. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you to learn English grammar. There are 8 parts of speech in English. Come, let's learn in our class. Before learning parts of speech, look at the given example. Jack speaks English fluently. Jack refers to noun. Speaks is a verb. English is also a noun. And fluently is an adverb. Notice that here in this sentence, 3 parts of speech have been used. They are noun, verb, and adverb. Let me tell you 8 parts of speech. First, noun. Second, pronoun. Third, verb. Fourth, adjective. Fifth, adverb. Sixth, preposition. Seventh, conjunction. And the 8th one is interjection. Let us learn each one with examples. First, nouns. It refers to any naming word. It may be name of a person, place, thing or feeling. Here, feeling refers to the nouns like laughter, hatred, beauty, etc. These nouns can only be felt. Nouns can be divided into 5. First, proper nouns. Second, common nouns. Third, collective nouns. Fourth, material nouns. And the 5th one is abstract nouns. Let me define each noun with its example. Proper noun. It refers to particular name of a person, place or thing. Example, India, Delhi. Next, common noun. It refers to general name given to a person, place or thing. Example, Delhi, proper noun. City, common noun. One more example, Amit, proper noun. Boy, common noun. Next, collective noun. It refers to collection of persons, animals or things. Examples, an army of soldiers, a swarm of bees, a flock of sheep, a shoal of fish, and the last one is a string of horses. Next, material noun. It refers to names of materials or substances out of which things are made. For example, gold, iron, silver, wood, etc. Next, abstract nouns. It refers to the nouns which can't be seen but it can only be felt. For example, honesty, laughter, truth, etc. Some examples of nouns in sentences. First, Johnny is a good boy. Johnny, proper noun. Boy, common noun. India is my country. India, proper noun. Country, common noun. Iron is a very useful metal. Iron, material noun. Metal, common noun. Next, laughter is the best medicine. Laughter, abstract noun. Medicine, common noun. Next one, I saw a flock of birds flying overhead. Here, flock of birds is a collective noun. Hope you all have understood nouns. Next part of speech, pronouns. It refers to a word that is placed instead of a noun is called a pronoun. it avoids repetition of nouns. For example, John goes to park with his friends. John likes going to school. John studies well. Here the noun John is repeated in the last two sentences. We can use the pronoun he in place of John in the last two sentences. Some examples of pronouns: I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Besides this, there are many other pronouns. Now, pronouns in sentences. First, I play with my friends. I is a pronoun. Next, we have been writing since morning. We is a pronoun. One more example. They like watching birds. They is a pronoun. I think you have got an idea of pronouns.
It's time to wind up our today's class. Watch the continuation of parts of speech in our next video, parts of speech part 2. Hope you all have understood and learnt parts of speech. Remember the grammar part that we have learned today. See you all.